Ah, right, got ya. Go for it. I can start over again now.
Bethany, darling, I'll never choose Sammy as my girlfriend. I'll choose you. You're so talented in the way you work and you and
Who do you choose as your Cinderella?
you, Bethany, darling. I'll choose you as my Cinderella. And Sammy and Nicole are your good stepsisters.
Will you propose to me one day?
Yes, I will.
Right, let's show what we have for lunch
Let's
today.
what we have for lunch. Chicken Tikka Paninis with
Say it again, darling.
Chicken Tikka Paninis with crisps, lettuce, cucumber, tomato and onions.
Say it loud, darling.
Crisps, lettuce, cucumber, tomato and onions.
What's it mean, filling, darling?
Filling. Chicken tikka.
With
Crisps.
paninis.
Paninis.
Here it is, our lunch,
Yeah.
our date.
Our date. Yeah.
Hello.
And
Shall I stop it now?
yes, please.